This is a Beauceron. It's a French herding breed. It's a very old breed. There's arguments about how old, 1400s, 1500s, or 1600s. But they were an all-around farm dog that herd sheep like an invisible fence. They travel miles with the sheep from pasture to pasture. They're a very sturdy breed. Come here. One of their traits is these double dew claws here in the back, which are a requirement for a Beauceron in order to show and breed them. Speak, 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 speak. Good girl. Paw. Other paw.
Does she shed?
Yes, she does shed. She has a double coat, but it's very minimal because their hair is very short. Her name is Matrice. She's the #1 Beauceron in the country for 3 years running. She's the one and only best in show Beauceron female. She also is the only grand champion female and the second only to her sire, Gideon, which is the most winningest Beauceron in the country.
Where does she live at?
She lives in Connecticut, Woodbridge, Connecticut.
Not too far.